Actually, I think Daniel's
Okay, we're just now starting. He just rolled a 4.
I'll go first.
And you already cut me?
Yeah.
And this is my sideboard. Let me get it out of the way first.
Yeah. Mine's in.
Dear God!
Dear God.
Yeah, how about you play card destruction or something?
If only one band, right?
If only.
Or Morphing Jar. Morphing Jar would be just great right now.
Oh, I'd absolutely.
Traded!
I'd absolutely love Morphing Jar.
What you playing, bro?
You're going first. Oh, God. Why are you so mad?
I feel the pain.
Wait, who are you talking to?
Upstart.
I don't know why you
Traded!
Yeah.
Let's get rid of that guy.
Better hand?
No!
Oh, feature match, feature match.
All I got in graveyard's machine types.
Hey.
Okay.
Good. Give me some more open now. Ladies, man. Why does no one ever let me announce?
Because you're too slow.
You gotta be loud.
I am loud.
Yeah.
Alright, go in the shop and do Daniel instead. Daniel took a spot.
Alright, it'll probably be Daniel.
Detached material, pop special summon monsters, crazy
Oh,
shit.
it's that one.
It's that one.
Okay.
Rank of Magic!
Dun dun.
Going into my ultimate motherfucker.
Who does stuff?
Can't be targeted and
Except by Jack Frost.
Yeah.
Except by Jack Frost.
Well, give me some Jack Frost. I'll be good.
activate effect. I get to draw a card. If it's a monster card, I burn you for 800.
What'd you get?
Fuck. Damn it. Cock. Son of a bitch. Yeah. I
We
get
have
it.
children watching this.
No, we don't. What children?
The children on YouTube.
What children play a children's card game?
It makes no sense.
I would play Infinite.
What? You're telling me that all those anonymous people on YouTube are adults?
No. 38. Show me the Air Force.
You said it can't
Can't be targeted.
be targeted.
No dim frizz, no fiendish chain, no grapple pop.
I take 38.
Alright, so it's more like 28.
So we got 52 to 8, and it is Sonya's move. What you got, Holmes?
She's got every answer in the book.
If only. During your turn, right?
I can only detach on my turn, but it's target protection forever.
You said
For
you
reals.
targeted by card effects, right?
Yeah, you can't target with card effects. Sure. It's just down 101.
She's just gonna cowboy burn you.
I would do it. I would cowboy burn me. Activate a card effect that says I take 10 times the burn damage. What? How is that fair?
Do you think Forced Requisition would be good in a Dark World deck?
Yeah, Gates is crazy.
It's basically every time you discard a card, your opponent has to discard the same amount.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. Oh, show me the drag down. I know you have it. You set that card randomly in the corner. Murdered.
Yes, you
I destroyed your graphic. It wasn't even on the
I
board.
hate it when people do that online. They'll like set here, then set here, then set in a random place.
I know, like on Dueling Network, you can't choose where you set.
I don't think I can on Dead Pro either. Well, some people can, but I can't. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm not good enough.
Sad face.
Sad face.
Super sad.
Summon Fortune Tune.
Dropped
Effect?
Yeah.
Gates effect.
Sure.
Just waiting for the new stuff to come out.
Are they bringing? Is Nova Caesar or is they guaranteed?
Drag down?
We want to. Johnny's telling me Shadow is not going to be in there.
Is Nova Caesar going to be QC?
Ain't that
These do lots of things. Let's change it more.
That's my Monster Reborn.
I don't think these cards will ever.
Let your rank up.
Yep. That ends the battle phase.
She gets rid of Scarecrow, so no defense for
Go for
Jody.
the gold.
Go for gold or back off.
She can only try to attack over it.
Or she can have a board wipe.
He's like a DD warrior.
Which I don't have right now.
Bounce for graphic? No. Here's one going to Volcasaurus. That can't beat him.
Good.
Draw?
This is why this helps.
I don't trust this card. You just said it.
Oh, my no targets.
Let's see how much damage. Sure. No.
Reckless Greed.
No damage.
Very good, very good.
Get rid of that, the Vine 10-9 thing.
No cards in hand? Or one, two cards? Two cards in hand.
What is he going to do, folks?
I'm going to upstart.
Upside's good. I'll take that 1,000.
I know you will. I'll take it like a champ. Go! Ultimate Trainer! Knockout!
I
don't even know what the fuck knockout.
I opened Spectre, double Yankee.
Sure.
Alright, so it's 13.
Yeah, you'll take 13.
She's now at 49, and
Yeah, knock out my Reckless Greed.
hey, draw powers could save you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Back down.
I'll give you the beige.
Alright.
Actually, you know what? I'll give you the gold.
Gold?
You can have gold.
Okay. Get rid of that. So I get beige?
Yeah, you get no, you get gold.
I get gold. Okay.
Draw.